Welcome to the Business Organisation and Management for Term 4 2013. This term we'll be covering human resources. Now for the assessment there are two pieces. The first is a 1,000 to 1,500 word assignment on job descriptions, roles, responsibilities and selection criteria. So this assignment will require you to research the theory behind employee selection and write the first part of the report. Find job descriptions and selection criteria for similar positions. Write a job description for the advertised position. Write a selection criteria for those advertised position. And then to write an advertisement that encapsulates the job description and the selection criteria. So the reason I'm getting you to do this is I want to get you to have an understanding of how selection criteria and job descriptions should enable you to write high quality applications for positions. When you are competing for positions, your application needs to properly address selection criteria. Most job applications are instantly rejected because they do not obviously connect with the selection criteria. People who screen applications for entry-level positions usually have only about 5 to 10 minutes per application to decide who gets to the next round. If your application does not jump out to a prospective employer, then it's unlikely you will get an interview. So, the second task is task 6. And that's to create a 5 to 8 minute screencast application for a graduate or entry-level position. Screencast can be created with any number of free screencast applications, Screencast-O-Matic and Cam Studio, two of which will create a good screencast. The screencast must include your voice presenting a series of slides. The slides can be created using any software package. The slides must contain only summary information which you will fill out using your voice. You may include a quick selfie in your presentation. For this assignment, I would strongly advise you to search for a position that you would like to apply for after you have graduated or completed your relevant vocational education after high school. I'm not enforcing a draft for this assignment, but if you do submit a draft, I must receive it by the 21st of October to be able to give you a good quality feedback. As school resumes on Tuesday the 7th of October, you only have 2 weeks to submit a draft after school resumes. I will be away on the first Friday, but there will be a presentation for you to watch in regard to responding to selection criteria in this lesson. It will also be available on YouTube sometime during the break. So which assignment should you do first? Well, I think you need to work on both assignments, as the information from this assignment will feed into the other assignment and vice versa. So while the two are individual assignments, there is a linkage in the knowledge which will help you get both assignments completed. So we'll now spend the remainder of this lesson looking at the first assignment. So I want you to read through the advertisement on the back of this task sheet, and in pairs list the attributes of the person they are looking for. So you might like to pause this video now while you go and do that. Okay, so when you're finished, remain with your partner and go to www.seek.com.au and search for graduate business positions. Find a similar position to the one that's one on the back of the paper and list the attributes for that position. Now have a look at a few more positions and list those attributes. Now return to the job advertisement and modify the list of attributes to include those that you think should be part of the position description. So as a class, we'll now bring those findings together to create an improved selection criteria for the advertised position. This can now form the basis of the first part of the assignment. For the rest of this time, I would like you to individually start researching business theories about the necessity of person descriptions, duties and responsibilities, and selection criteria. Please ask me if you have any questions about this.